Happy Valentine's Day, love celebrating. Happy Valentine's to you all. It's a season of love. I hope you're using this period to create special memories with your loved one, with that special one in your life. And for the benefit of those who want to step away from their home and the one at home away from home, somewhere nice, cozy, they can create that privacy, intimate moment with themselves and loved ones. I got something special for you. Amazing package for you. Right here in Surulere, Lagos, Nigeria, is this luxury apartment which I'll be touring. You can see behind me the glamour, the beauty, the aesthetically pleasing environment which I am in right now. Just to tell you that there's something good, something amazing like this is happening on the mainland, because they say, well, they carry last. I guess we can rephrase the saying by saying that the mainland, they carry last. So not only on the highlands can you get amazing deals, you can get some amazing deals on the mainland as well. So right here in this luxury apartment is a studio apartment, 1-bedroom apartment, and likewise a 2-bedroom Maisonette in the market. I'll be touring them and showing you the impeccable space, everything, the design, from the finishing, the sophistication. I don't want to preach too much. All you need to do is to follow me on this journey as I take you on a tour to check out everything about this house. And for the benefit of those who want to know exactly where in Surulere this property is located, it's just, let's say, 7 minutes drive to the popular stadium. If you know stadium, you're just right at the property. And also 5 minutes drive to Yaba Tejuosho Market. Can you see that it's a very good location? Of course, I know you want to know how close it is to Ikeja and also on the highland. For those that are coming all the way from Muritala Mohammed Airport, we can just say with 30 minutes drive, you are here in this property. And for those who are coming from the highland, from Victoria Highland, it's just 20 minutes drive. That's to tell you that this is strategically located in a very good environment. And this is for those also who want a piece of the mainland. I'm going to keep this information. Just stay tuned. But before then, let's see a sample of the studio apartment. Ta-da! I'm just here. Now this has a smart lock. And if you're getting it, it's coming with a smart lock as well. Ooh! Can somebody give me some privacy, because I love this place. Okay, I think I just have to reserve a room for I'm not going to say too much. So right here is the studio apartment, and this is furnished. This is the first one of this project. You can see the entire space. So all the units, all the unit comes with a balcony like this. So here it is. So with this, it takes me all the way to the balcony. All of it, all the units. Whether you're buying the studio apartment, or you're buying the mini flats, or you're buying the 2-bedroom maisonette, the whole come just like this. So this is a studio apartment. Then you have your toilet and bathroom here. So check it out. It comes with your mirror. Yes, of course, you can control it. There's lightning. Yes, you have your washing basin, you have your toilet seat, and you have your shower section all the way right here in this place. This is really good. This is okay. If you want to book an hotel, this is like just exactly what you get in most hotel. Then you have your kitchen space all right here. So it comes with a cabinetry, of course. I will be showing you another sample where it's not furnished, so you can see exactly what it comes with and what it doesn't come with. So it comes with this cabinetry. Of course, the cooker, it doesn't come with a cooker, but you can put in your cooker right here. Then it comes with and over there you have the heat extractor. When you are cooking, that is where it absorbs all the heat in the house. Then you can put in your refrigerator. Yeah, it doesn't come with a refrigerator, but this is a good section for your refrigerator. Then you have your TV console all the way right here. Now of course, it comes with your wardrobe. All the rooms here comes with your wardrobe as well. This is just a miniature of what you can get, and this studio apartment is in the market for 18 million naira. You just had me 18 million naira. You own this. Oh my goodness. Ebuka, the last time you came to Lagos, you know how much you used to do big boy now? How much is 18 million? Come on, come off it. It is time to stop spending the money on Doreme. Forget it. It is time for you to cash out in real estate. You never can tell. This $1 is going up and coming down. Naira is going up and coming down. The only thing now that you can do with that money is to put it on real estate. At least whatever happens with Nigerian currency, you know that you have your property. So let's do this. So yeah, you can own this studio apartment. I know you want to see what a mini flat look like. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Do. So yes, the mini flat is just exactly like the studio with a little touch of more privacy, because here is the living room section. Then of course you have, I said I was going to show you a unit that is not furnished, so this isn't furnished. You can, just the same way you saw it there, put your refrigerator here. This doesn't need to be your TV console. You can have your TV console all the way right there, so you can put in your refrigerator here. You can put in both fridge, refrigerator, anything, just do you. Then you can put in your cooker here. You can either put in that type of cooker you saw there, or you can just have a flat one there. Also, I told you, all the room comes with balcony, so that is the balcony for the mini flat. Then this is the guest toilet. Yes, this is just for the visitors. This is not where you're supposed to have your bed. So don't blame me. It's not me that built it. I know you want to see the room. Let's go set. Okay, so here is the room. Yes, this is it. This is the room. Now, this is the wardrobe. So can you see that Valentine that you're supposed to spend in your house? Come here. If you go and rent in Island, you know you like all this big boy thing. You go don't cast. So come to Surulere. I'm not telling you should come and do bad thing. I only said you should come to Surulere. So here is the shower section. So you have your washing basin here, you have your toilet seat, and of course you have your shower here. You can put it in the glass to demarcate the space. I would put that if I am not owner of this place. So this mini flat, how much is it? This mini flat is in the market for 36 million naira. Right? You can spread your payments up to a year. So you can just make an initial deposit of 15 million naira and spread your remaining balance. Of course, you can also make an initial deposit of 10 million naira. Don't mind me. The bigger, the better. So that is it on this tour for this property. I know you want to see the 2-bedroom apartment. Well, I have good news and bad news. The good news is that the 2-bedroom apartment is a Maisonette. That's the room. You have the parlor downstairs, you have the kitchen downstairs, you have a guest toilet downstairs, then you have 2 other rooms upstairs, including another family lounge upstairs. So that's what we have for the 2-bedroom apartment. And the 2-bedroom apartment is in the market for 55, is in the market for 55 million naira. If you're making an outright purchase, you can get it for 52 million naira. Now, here comes the bad news. The bad news is that we do not have any unit currently here in this phase 1, because all the units right here that I'm standing on, I'm sorry, I have to say this at this time of the tour, they are all sold out. It was so fast in the market. People saw it, I'll be like, oh my god, this on the mailer, this is really good. And well, we don't like better thing. It's not my fault. They all came in, just trooped in, subscribed, and it was completely sold out. However, the good news, another good news, don't pause, don't skip the video. The good news is that just on the same street, not so far, just like 1 minute's drive, you'll be having the phase 2. You can see from the drone shots, that is this is where we are on the phase 2. It's currently ongoing. We intend to deliver it October 2024. So So if you key in right now, because by the time it's completed like this, I'm not sure you even meet any units in the market. So you just have to, like, if it's for you to make an initial deposit, and if you want to make an outright purchase, you're going to get a very good discount for that. You can just key into the phase 2, which is currently ongoing. So we have 2 of that. One of this is just around, just around the street. Then the other one is at Ogulano Drive, which you can see from the drone shot as well. Same price, everything is the same. So from the Ogulano Drive we also have mini flats. In the Ogulano Drive, it's just a mini flat and the 2-bedroom apartment. But the one on the street, we only have 1 bedroom and 2 studio apartment here. So you can key into any of these apartments, which is ongoing. From the shot, you can see we are working on it. We intend to deliver everything this year, 2024. So October all the way down to December, your properties are divided. For October, we intend to deliver everything, because for those that want to use it for shortlets, you want to be able to cash out this 2024 Ember period, festive period time. That's why we want to deliver it to you just before then, so you can start making your money if you want to make it your shortlet. And okay, so for everybody that bought here, in fact, I just got an in-house information that every single person here are using it for shortlet. I don't why, like, how? Why? The demand is really crazy. In fact, nobody wants to rent it out. Everybody just, everybody are furnishing, everybody wants to use it for shortlet. That's to say, the demand is so crazy. I don't think, maybe because it's of the proximity, because it's on the mainland. There are a lot of people who probably, would want to stay in, maybe because of the price or the proximity. They feel like they have a lot of family members on the mainland who wants to come to see them, and they will just want something very much central, so that commuting might be kind of easier. It could be a factor, or some people already have quite a number of shortlets on the island. They just want something different. They want something on the mainland. That could be another factor. But all I can tell you right now is the demand is crazy. In fact, everybody is rushing to furnish up their units and put it up in the market. There are all the people that are furnished are closed, they have collected their key, they closed it, no toy. So this was just, I was lucky, God bless the heart of this owner, to be able to tour this. So if you are buying, you know you can either put it up for rent, that's your choice. You can put it up for shortlet. It is fast selling, it's fast going, the location is good. This is a market. Now this is a market. A time will come whereby you would start seeing a whole lot of developers coming to these houses, taking possession of these houses. But before then, it's up to you now to key into the already existing market. This is a good market. Island is already sold, a lot of development is already going there, a lot of shortlet investments are already going there. But this is a good choice for you to make. Either you buy the studio apartment or you buy the mini flats. You can own there. However, the 2-bedroom Maisonette is just 1 unit left in the market. Other units are all sold out. I'm so sorry. Like I said earlier, the rush is there. I don't even, by the time you are watching this video, I'm not sure if the 2-bedroom will still be in the market. But you can call me, you can DM me, you never can. You might be the lucky owner to own it. But that's to tell you that this is a good investment for you to be able to key into. Please don't sleep on this. Don't. This is, I don't know how best to market this product. I really don't know how best, because I know this is a good deal. You know how I always bring you amazing deal. Like this, a lot more. So that's why all you need to do, if you like this property, you want to make more inquiries, call me on the number showing right here on your screen. I'll be available to answer all of your inquiries about this property. And it's a great honor to have you watch this video to the end. I hope you love my mainland tour, life in Surulere, that I'm bringing to you. If you do, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell, so you do not miss out on any of our amazing tours like this, because I'll be coming again with another juicy offer, because that's what I'm known for. Yes, I'm the magic girl, always bringing you juicy offer. And you can like us, follow us on all of our social media platforms at Estate Informative. Follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and also on X Estate-Informant. And likewise visit our website for more property listings at www.estate-informant.com. It's a great honor. I'm honored to see that you've watched this video till this point. And I'm glad to say you're home. Don't worry, call me. Valentine on me. When you want to go to Paris, just call me. Say you watch this video to the end. I got something for you. Let's go to Paris. City of love. Let's go flex. I got you. Don't worry. Stay tuned and welcome to the family. I'll be back.